Good morning, student. Myself Kiran Yadav. I'm your English teacher of class second. So we have done this unit number 8, chapter number 16, the Mumbai musicians. Okay. So now come to the exercise part. So first question: why did the farmer tell Gopu to see the world? जो गोपू का ओनर था, फार्मर था, उसने गोपू को ये क्यों बोला कि जाओ अब तुम वर्ल्ड घूम के आओ? क्यों बोला ये? बिकॉज द फार्मर टेल्स गोपू टू सी द वर्ल्ड एज ही वॉज नाउ वेरी टायर्ड एंड ओल्ड, क्योंकि अब वो बहुत थक चुका था और वो अब बुढ़ा भी हो गया था. दैट्स वाई farmer tells Gopu to see the world. Question number 2. Why did Gopu, Dopu and Furry want to go to Mumbai? So answer will be Gopu, Dopu and Furry wanted to go to Mumbai to be musician. Question number 3. Why did the people in the house run away? So वाई डिड द पीपल इन द हाउस रन अवे? जो उस घर में लोग थे वो क्यों चले गए वहाँ से? सो आंसर विल बी पीपल इन द हाउस रन अवे एज दे थॉट दैट गोस्ट हैड कम टू स्केयर दैम. ओके, नाउ लेट्स टॉक. इफ यू वर टू जॉइन द एनिमल बैंड, विच एनिमल वुड यू वॉन्ट टू बी? Create the sound of that animal. Get together with your friends as a group. Create the sounds of the animal each one of you wants to be. So do it yourself. The donkey saw a ball of fur and it was a cat. If you were to see a big ball of fur, what could that be? देखो, if I were to see a big ball of fur, then it could be a rabbit. Let's sort out these words. Pick the words from the bags and put them on the right shelf. One has been done for you. Say the words aloud. Short E words, leg, and और भी वर्ड आ सकते इसमें लाइक बैल, वेल. शॉर्ट आई वर्ड्स, पिग, लिप, फिश, hill. Long E words, deep, tree, seed, street. Long I words, line, smile. Okay, now come to the next. Let's write. Do you play any musical instrument? So you will give answer here according to yourself what you can play. So I will write yes, I play guitar. If no, which instrument do you want to learn? और अगर तुम कोई सा भी म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट नहीं प्ले कर सकते तो तुम क्या सीखना चाहोगे? सो I would like to learn piano. Okay, now next, add the word of the opposite gender in the given sentence. So we will write opposite gender in the blanks. Okay, first Anju's mother. Mother का opposite gender क्या होगा? Father. Mother and father came to the school. My uncle and uncle का opposite gender auntie came to visit us on Monday. The lion and lion का opposite gender lioness. The lion and lioness looked lovingly at their cub. The king and king का opposite gender queen. The king and queen sat on beautiful thrones. The man is running and the dash is walking. Man का opposite gender woman. My grandfather and dash went to the market. Grandfather का opposite gender grandmother. Okay. Now this is game. Let's play bingo. So you can try this at your home. Okay. Next. In what way are these musical instruments different from each other? Put them into 3 groups based on how they are played. So we have to write here, okay, in these 3. This is tabla, sitar, flute, guitar, duffly, iktara, sehnai, violin, dholak. So in the first group, instruments that you play with fingers. So we will write here जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट हम फिंगर से प्ले करते हैं. सो कौन कौन सी इंस्ट्रूमेंट है जो हम फिंगर से प्ले करते हैं? तबला, यस, डफली एंड ढोलक. तबला, डफली एंड ढोलक. नेक्स्ट, स्ट्रिंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट जो धागे के से बने हुए होते हैं, जिसमें धागे होते हैं जिनसे म्यूजिक निकलता है, वो कौन कौन से हैं? सितार, गिटार, वायलिन एंड इकतारा. सितार, गिटार, इकतारा एंड वायलिन. इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स दैट यू ब्लो इनटू, जिसमें आप हवा मारते हो, जिसमें जो मुंह में हवा देके बजाया जाता है, वो कौन कौन से हैं? एक तो फ्लूट है और एक सहनाई. फ्लूट एंड सहनाई. ओके. नेक्स्ट, this is the picture of a musical instrument called a jal tarang. Make your own jal tarang. Get 6 of 10 balls of the same size and shape. Pour water into the balls. Keep the water at different levels. Use 2 pencils and strike the rim of the balls to make musical sounds. So you can try this, okay? The word jal tarang is made up of 2 words: jal, water, tarang, music. Jal means pani, tarang means music. Now make new words by joining 2 words. One has been done for you, like news plus paper, newspaper. Like this, school plus bag, school bag. Tooth plus paste, toothpaste. Neck plus lace, necklace. Some plus one, someone. Bath plus room, bathroom. Time plus table, timetable. Foot plus ball, football. Car plus pet, carpet. Okay, let's practice. So now here is written cursive writing, so you will do this. Okay, get up early in the morning. So here your chapter finish. Okay, so learn the chapter, read and write in your notebook. Thank you. Have a good day.